dear parents. How are you children? Your Suchi ma'am is back again. How was your Diwali? I hope you all enjoyed Diwali. Did you burst crackers? No, I know you did not burst crackers this time. Yes children? Okay, you all are good children. Today we are going to do the concept of odd one out. Children, do you know what is the meaning of odd? Odd means different. Yes, you have already done once. So, what is the meaning of odd? Odd means different. Alaga, alag. Okay? So, let's do with the objects. You want to see? Come. Now see. See in the tray what do I have? This is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. And this is a toothbrush. And what is this? Is this a toothbrush? No. This is a toothpaste. This is a toothpaste. So can you tell me children, which is the different object here? Which is the odd one here? This one. No. Yes. This toothpaste is the different object here. These three are same. These are all toothbrushes. And this one is the toothpaste. So this is the odd one here. So now we are going to put a cross on the odd one. So which one I will put a cross? I will put a cross on toothpaste. Okay children? I'll put a cross on which object? Toothpaste. Okay? Now let's see with some other objects. Now look here. Look here children. What is this? This is a soap. This is a shampoo. This is a soap and this is also a soap. Now tell me which is the different object here. Which one is the odd one here? Who can tell me? Yes, you are right. This shampoo bottle is the odd one. Okay. So this bottle is the odd one here. We will put the cross on soap. On this soap? No. We will put a cross on this shampoo because shampoo is the odd one here. Okay. So I will put a cross on the shampoo. Is it clear children? Now let's do with some other objects children. Come. Let's see. What are these? These are all fruits. These are fruits. Do you eat fruits? Yes or no? You must eat fruits every day children. Fruits are very healthy for all of us. Okay. Now let's see. What are these? Which fruit is this? This is, what is it called? Pomegranate. Yes, this is pomegranate. And what is this? Banana. This is also a pomegranate. And this is also a pomegranate. So now tell me, which is the odd one here? All are fruits, but which one is the different? Yes, the different one is banana. Right. So banana is the odd one. Which one is the odd one here? Banana is the odd one. So we are going to put a cross on banana. Okay children? We will put a cross on which object? Which fruit? Banana. Okay? Now let's see what else do we have. Now what are these? These are all sweets and chocolates. You all love chocolates and sweets. Yes? Okay. So whose favorite is this? This is a Kit Kat. This is Kaju Barfi. Right. You all like Kaju Barfi also? Yes. I also love Kaju Barfi. This is also Kit Kat. And this is also a Kit Kat. Now, which is the odd one here? Come on, let's find out. This one, these are all same. But Kaju Barfi is alone here. So which is the odd one here? Kaju Barfi. Yes, Kaju Barfi is the odd one here. So we will put a cross on Kaju Barfi. Okay? Yes, so did you understand the concept of odd one? Like this. Now we will do it in the worksheet. Okay children? Now dear parents, I need your help. From the logical thinking worksheet set, please take out this worksheet, the odd one out worksheet. Okay? Now on the top, please write the date when they are supposed to do the worksheet. Write the name of your child and time is already mentioned, 20 minutes. Okay? Now what is written here? Odd one out. You have to cross the odd one out. Okay? Now what are these? These are leaves. What are these? These are leaves. And what is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. And what is this? This is also a leaf. Yes. So now tell me, which one is the odd one here? See, these are leaves and this is an apple. So which is the odd one here? Yes, the apple is the odd one. Now take a crayon and you will put a cross on the odd one. So see, on the top I will put a cross. One slanting line this side and one slanting line this side. So like this you will make a cross. Okay, don't put a cross on the picture. You will put a cross on the top of the picture. Okay, and then you are going to color the leaves. Okay children? Now next see the picture. This is a candle. What is this? Candle. Did you decorate the house with candles in Diwali? Yes? Okay, so this is a candle. And what is this? This is a kite. This is also a candle and this is also a candle. Very good children. Now tell me, which is the odd one here? Tell me which is the odd one. There are 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which picture is the odd one? The first one, the second one, the third one or the fourth one? Yes, this one. This one is the different one. So this is the odd one. So again we will put a cross on the odd one. Okay, so where will you put a cross? On the top of the picture. One slanting line this side and one slanting line this side. Okay, now you are going to color the rest of the pictures. Okay, you will color the leaves. Here you are going to color the leaves nicely inside. Okay, what is the color of the leaf? The leaves are green in color. So you will make it green. Okay, like this you are going to color all the 3 leaves. Okay, you are going to color all the 3 leaves. Now next, what is this? These are candles. Candles can be any color. Yes, it can be of any color. So make it colorful. I am making this pink color. Okay. And on the top, this will be yellow color or the golden color. Okay, so you can make different color candles. Okay children? Okay, so first day you are going to do this side of the worksheet, and the next day please turn the worksheet, and at the back side it is the same thing. We will do the same thing. Okay, parents, please write the date, the name of your child, and the time is mentioned 20 minutes. This is also odd one out. Okay, you will cross the odd one out. Okay, now see, what are these? These are pencils. These are pencils. See? This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. And what is this? Who can tell me? This is a brush. This is a brush. We paint with the brush, children? Yes? So this is a brush. So which is the odd one here? Which is the odd one? Yes, the brush is the odd one here. So we are going to cross the brush on the top. Okay? Like this we will put a cross. Now next, see. What is this? This is a water bottle. Yes. This is a water bottle. And what is this? This is a glass. This is a glass. And this is also a water bottle. So, which one is odd here? Which picture is the odd one here? Yes. The odd one is the water bottle. Sorry, the glass. The odd one is the glass. So, we are going to put a cross on the glass. Like this, you will put a cross on the glass, on the odd one. Okay? And then we are going to color all the pictures. Okay? Pencils you will color. Any color you can put on the pencil. Okay, children? Color it neatly. You are coloring very nicely, children. So make it neat. Should not go out. Take your time and do it nicely. Okay? Put different colors on the pencil. Make it colorful. Like this you will color only the pencils. And the odd one you are not going to color. Okay? The odd picture you will only put a cross and no coloring. Okay? And water bottle I will color light green. Okay? Water bottle can also be of any color. Whatever color you like you can put. Okay, children? So like this you are going to do the worksheet nicely. Mummy will not help you. You will do on your own. Okay? I have explained you the worksheet. If you didn't follow, you will watch the video once more. Okay? And you try to do on your own, children. Okay? So like this you will color the rest of the pictures. And you will not color the odd one. Where you have put a cross, the cross one you are not going to color. Okay, children? Okay. So when you finish the worksheet, show it to your mummy. And where are you going to put it? Right, you are going to put it in the white folder. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this class. See you in the next class.